एमआई 2026, जहां नवाचार और अवसरों का संगम। मुंबई, डाई एंड मोल्ड इंडिया इंटरनेशनल एग्जीबिशन 2026 टीमी 2026 के माध्यम से 4 दिनों तक चलने वाले नवाचार, संवाद और नई संभावनाओं के महापर्व की शुरुआत हो गई है। प्रदर्शकों द्वारा अत्याधुनिक तकनीकों का प्रदर्शन किया जा रहा है और आगंतुक नई सोच व विचारों से जुड़ रहे हैं। ये प्रदर्शनी भारत के टूलिंग उद्योग के लिए एक महत्वपूर्ण प्रगति मंच के रूप में उभर रही है। मुंबई के गोरेगांव स्थित बॉम्बे एग्जीबिशन सेंटर में 21 अप्रैल 2026 को इस प्रदर्शनी का उद्घाटन हुआ। टूल एंड गेज मैन्युफैक्चरर्स एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया (TAGMA) द्वारा आयोजित इस आयोजन में डाई और मोल्ड उद्योग की नवीनतम तकनीकी प्रगति प्रदर्शित की जा रही है। साथ ही उद्योग की चुनौतियों और अवसरों पर प्रकाश डालते हुए टूल मेकरों को यूजर इंडस्ट्री से सीखने का अवसर भी प्रदान किया जा रहा है। 4 दिवसीय इस प्रदर्शनी में अग्रणी टूल मेकर, तकनीकी प्रदाता और विभिन्न उद्योग क्षेत्रों के प्रतिनिधि भाग ले रहे हैं। इसमें डाई मोल्ड तकनीक, CNC मशीनिंग, ऑटोमेशन और एडिटिव मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में हो रही प्रगति को प्रमुखता से प्रदर्शित किया जा रहा है। इसका उद्देश्य मेक इन इंडिया पहल को मजबूती देना है। उद्घाटन समारोह के मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में टाटा ऑटोकॉम्प सिस्टम्स लिमिटेड के प्रबंध निदेशक एवं मुख्य कार्यकारी अधिकारी मनोज कोल्हटकर उपस्थित रहे। इसके साथ ही सेंसेरा इंजीनियरिंग लिमिटेड के संयुक्त प्रबंध निदेशक एवं एरोस्पेस इंडिया एसोसिएशन के अध्यक्ष आर सिंघवी, सूक्ष्म, लघु और मध्यम उद्योग मंत्रालय के संयुक्त सचिव विनम्र मिश्रा तथा FADMA के अध्यक्ष हेक्टेयू विलानुएवा भी मौजूद थे। TAGMA इंडिया के अध्यक्ष देवराया M. शेरेगर और उपाध्यक्ष D. षणमुगसुंदरम सहित कई गणमान्य व्यक्तियों ने कार्यक्रम में भाग लिया। दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ प्रदर्शनी का शुभारंभ किया गया। उद्घाटन अवसर पर देवराया शेरेगर ने कहा, इस वर्ष का आयोजन अब तक का सबसे बड़ा संस्करण है। 3 हॉल में 350 से अधिक प्रदर्शक भाग ले रहे हैं और अगले 3 दिनों में 35,000 से अधिक आगंतुकों के आने की उम्मीद है। ये प्रदर्शनी केवल एक आयोजन नहीं, बल्कि उद्योग के लिए विचारों के आदान प्रदान और साझेदारी का महत्वपूर्ण मंच है। टूलिंग उद्योग की संभावनाओं पर प्रकाश डालते हुए उन्होंने बताया कि पिछले 1 वर्ष में उद्योग में सकारात्मक वृद्धि दर्ज की गई है और अब उत्पादन क्षमता और उन्नत तकनीकों में निवेश बढ़ा है। भारतीय टूल मेकर अब घरेलू बाजार के साथ साथ अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर भी अपनी पहचान बना रहे हैं। कौशल विकास के महत्व पर जोर देते हुए आर सिंघवी ने कहा, उद्योग की वास्तविक प्रगति कुशल मानव संसाधन पर निर्भर करती है। कर्मचारियों का प्रशिक्षण, उनका संरक्षण और उचित मार्गदर्शन ही उद्योग की वृद्धि का आधार है। उन्होंने कौशल की कमी से उत्पन्न चुनौतियों की ओर भी ध्यान आकर्षित किया। MSME क्षेत्र के योगदान पर विनम्र मिश्रा ने बताया कि देश के आर्थिक विकास में इस क्षेत्र की महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका है। निर्यात में 45% और विनिर्माण में 37% योगदान देने वाला यह क्षेत्र लगभग 8.1 करोड़ लोगों को रोजगार प्रदान करता है और देश की अर्थव्यवस्था का मजबूत स्तंभ है।
Tool makers, but also standard part suppliers, or steel suppliers, or machine suppliers. It's really nice to see everybody under the one roof. I must say also the facility and the overall arrangement seem to be really nice. The participation as we learned from earlier 8,000 square feet has gone to 17,000-18,000 square meter. So there's a huge increase, which is so very important for the industry. I think we need to ensure that this industry is, because this is the industry which defines the quality, the productivity, the fit finish, the aesthetics of end parts. It's a very, very critical industry. Glad to see this kind of participation, and I wish TAGMA all the best, whatever they've done, and continue to grow further. Yes.
So total how much company participated?
400 participants are participating.
All are national or international? Or national or
national is domestic is something around 360 and 40 will be foreign exhibitors. 40 will be foreign exhibitors. When you see 2016 it was 8,000. That time it was around 240. Now it has grown to close to 400 square meter. 400 participant and 17,000 square meter.
सर आने वाले दिनों में कितना ग्रोथ करेगा मार्केट आप लोगों ने क्या?
The next 10 years will be in a bigger scale of growth. As we discussed in the inauguration, India GDP is growing in 6.5%. At the same time, automobile is growing in a phenomenal manner, and also electronics is taking a big step. Defense is taking a big step. So India is very promising. The 6.5% growth is, when you compare the world, we are the highest.
So how is beneficial for Make in India program?
Make in India program, yes. I am an example for Make in India. I am a machine tool builder. I started in 2016. In the last 10 years, we have grown in a bigger manner. We are producing close to 900 machining centers. 2015 we are not there. We were in trading. So we are now exporting the machines to Europe. That is making this.
In fact, not only Make in India program, we have to actually make in global program because the
Yes.
volume that is required for die and investment, you need higher volume. And today, if you see the products that are displayed to what was about say 5-6 years ago, there is a tremendous change in the size, quality, aesthetics. Now with this, with the support from the government, the Make in India program actually should go into Make in Global program.
You can see the electronics export. We are producing 1 lakh mobile phones, iPhones right now. 38,000
Daily.
every day, every day. Every day we produce 1 lakh iPhones. That 38,000 is our consumption every day. The balance is getting exported. Almost 170% of electronics growth has happened on exports.
Sir, what were your expectations about investment and new orders and any launches in this?
Yeah, many launches are there. In our stall, 2 machines are getting launched. In every booth, there are many launches are happening. You can go through the all over our halls and stalls. There are many launches are happening. We have launched a 5-axis machine. We have launched a high-speed series machine also.
What are the countries you expect? What countries?
We have FADMA, around 11 country delegates are here. Tomorrow the AGM is happening. From 11 countries, delegates are already here. Their AGM is happening in India. We are hosting, FADMA is hosting their AGM of FADMA, which is happening. Almost 22 delegates have come from different countries.
Sir, what is the market size of this industry?
Market size is huge. I will refer the documents if you.
I would tell you that in manufacturing,
I'll give you the
if you look at
exact figures. I'll give you.
auto industry or whatever, generally tooling cost comes to 2 to 3% of any industry. So if you take the total manufacturing GDP, which is 15% of the entire country in manufacturing, they would constitute 3 to 5% of the manufacturing.
So just to tell you the size, since I haven't read that, it's about the tool industry in India is about $3 to $4 billion. That's what it is. But again, when you talk of size, we should not look at, like Mr. Shivi also rightly said, let's not look at only India. The entire world is available for as far as market size is concerned. So definitely with the quality improvement that we see, which we are able to see in the stalls also today, I'm sure we can export and make in India for the world. That should be
Yes,
the
that's what's happening now. Imports are getting reduced.
This is about 90 billion.
yeah.
So this industry is affected by any war and because of this problem, import very bad right now.
So again that the crisis that is happening currently clearly puts the importance on why should we be localizing and making goods in India. Any supply chain which is beyond the country will always be under stress when these things happen, and unfortunately these are happening more frequently as we see. So again, it's very glad to see that we are able to make almost 90 plus percentage of the tools that we need for the industry inside India itself. So to that extent, I must say the effect will be quite low.
Thank you so much. We are short of time.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, I am F.R. Singhvi, Joint Managing Director of Sansera Engineering Limited, and I'm also the President of Aerospace India Association. I'm very happy to be here on the 14th exhibition for dies and molds in Bombay. Inaugurating this exhibition is a privilege. I thank the association for it. The die and mold is the most critical aspect of manufacturing. In fact, you can call it as a mother of manufacturing. And the quality of dies and mold is what is going to mold our manufacturing in India. And better the dies and mold, better the quality of dies and mold, better will be the manufacturing. And that is how India is going to make in India in a much stronger position. So I thank the association again and wish all the members the very best and hope that they will become industry leaders across the world and increase our India growth from current 1% to more than 5% in the next 5 years.
Thank you.